Dan Olds here, ISC 2020, the virtual competition, and we are talking with team EPCC from Edinburgh. How y'all doing today?
Hey, hello. We're doing fine. How are you?
That's good. I'm okay. So Iago, tell us your story. What do you do and what do you do for the team?
Yeah, okay. Well, me and all my team are studying the Masters of High Performance Computing in Edinburgh. I'm in charge of the coding challenge and the Tinker HPC application.
Okay.
For the coding challenge, I test different versions of Churn++. I use different compilers and different layers. I try to implement the code optimizing the memory use, trying to not do many allocations, try to minimize that.
Good.
I test different compiler flags, and I also on different version of the code. And right now I'm trying to find the best topology of the distribution of the different threads using Churn++.
You're just trying to make yourself sound busy. You're
exactly
all of that.
As everyone knows.
That's fantastic. Let's see. Is it Xiaoping?
Yeah.
Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm surprised if I did. So what do you do for the team?
Exactly. I'm responsible for the MIS. Is a glacier modeling software which is contributed to the climate change. So I'm very glad to take these tasks because it's quite useful. And my task is to try to optimize the performance of the MIs and try to achieve the great performance and the required correctness. And I also use different compilers and different compiler flags and the third-party libraries to compile the application and run on the CC. And now I have used the Intel compiler to run the application and get some visualized image with some tools. And I also providing the application with the high performance monitoring tools.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. You're trying all the permutations, and that's what you have to do to figure out what's going to be best. Very good.
Thank you.
So, Nicola, what is up?
Hi.
How you doing?
It's fine. I'm fine. Thank you. So I'm the deputy captain of the team EPCC.
Team captain?
Deputy captain.
Oh, deputy captain. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I was going to give you a whole bunch of respect, but for the deputy.
No,
sorry.
It's fine. So
who is the team captain?
It's Rafael.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, Nicola, you go on, and we'll have a parade for Raphael later on.
So my initial responsibility was about the HPC challenge and trying to pursue the high performance Limpac award, but so far we all know the situation was a little bit changed this year, and these two applications and benchmarks are not available. And currently I'm responsible for the GROMACS application, which is as you know, a familiar molecular dynamic application in the HPC, and also with my background experience with the GPU and the research about the GPUs for the high performance Limpac award, I'm trying to make a hybrid solution for the GROMACS, and also trying with different compilers as well. I mean, for example, GNU compilers, Intel compilers, and yeah, so far I just got tested on a bunch of supercomputer clusters, and also I have resolving a lot of compilation and configuration problems with others in the team. So yeah, that's about me.
You're busy. Yep. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Georgia, how about you?
Hi. I'm responsible for the Changa application, which is a cosmological simulation. I'm so sorry if I got some problems with the connection. Sorry.
That's fine. Your lips are moving at a different rate than your speech, but I think that's kind of a cool effect. So it's
okay.
I like it. It's like a overdubbed movie.
Yeah, right. We managed to build like Sham++ using different compilers as well as communication layers like MPI and UCX. And we validate our installation and monitor the performance using some small inputs. And from now on, what I would like to do with the application is test some more like flags of the compiler and also check about the placement of the threads and the processes.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
That's enough. That's a lot. Now we come to the team captain, Rafael.
Well, hello. Yeah, I'm Rafael. I'm the captain for Team EPCC. Although we are a team here, so we are all working very hard for this. I'm in charge of the BERT application, which is the artificial intelligence section of the competition. This is to do with natural language processing, which is a field which really interests me. So I was glad to hear the news on this challenge being announced. It's not been an easy path to this. We've had all sorts of problems around the way, but we've managed to tackle them. Good. We've even had the chance to play around with tensor processing units in the cloud, so that's interesting. Currently, we are running Tesla V100 GPUs on the current shared cluster we have.
And there's what, 4 of them?
Yeah, we are limited to 4 of them. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, this year the change, instead of having a maximum power limit, we have a maximum number of GPUs we can use and nodes.
Yeah. It's only 2 nodes, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
2 nodes, 4 GPUs.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a way different competition when you do it this way with everybody using exactly the same machine.
Yeah, definitely. It's a new version of the cluster competition. Which I like as well. Like, because there's a new focus on focusing on the application and not so much on the hardware, which is also interesting, you know?
Yes. Yeah, very true. Very true. And it's going to put a real premium on how well you can tune those applications, use exactly the right compiler, things like that.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, the scores are going to be very close, I would bet.
Yeah, for BERT, we've had some changes on the rules recently. So before we could only fine tune the model using the SQuAD dataset, which is a question answering dataset. Which we aim to maximize the F1 score, and we were only allowed to fine-tune hyperparameters. However, this was recently changed just yesterday, and we can now leverage ensemble methodologies to improve that score. So I'm currently looking into that. I'm expecting promising results from it. I'm quite happy with how we are at the moment.
Oh, good. Are you getting enough access to the machine? To the cluster?
There's some issue with the queue times. That's expected with a shared machine and everyone with different time zones and researchers also accessing the machine. But we're tackling. We accept change and we adapt to it.
Adapt and overcome.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's right, and that's what the younger students won't do. You guys are older, so you'll be better at that, right? Is that your advantage?
Let's hope so, yeah. Experience is a virtue.
Yes, very much so. Well, I really enjoyed meeting and interviewing you. Thank you for your time, and good luck. And we'll come back and talk to you again.
Thanks.
Okay, thank
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.